What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Michael here with Flyzone Drones, and we like to thank once more all our subscribers for being such loyal subscribers to our channel. And we also have some news. We have some new members, some new subscribers that have subscribed to the channel. You all know who you are. Thank you. We appreciate you, and welcome to the family. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. Let's jump right into these photos, and let's get to it. Here we have it. So as you know, this is the DJI Mini 3 shell provided by someone. It was a leak that we received this morning. Now you see that this is the actual DJI shell for the Mini 3/2S. We still don't know. They haven't decided what they're going to call it yet. We still don't know. But I truly hope that they do go with the Mini 2S. I'm suspecting that they will potentially call this the DJI Mini 2S. So we'll see. But as you see here, looks exactly like the same design that I provided to everyone on my last video about a week ago. You'll see that they're going with this air cooling system right here in the front, and the same air cooling system on the sides there. And they slapped the good old DJI logo right on the back, and you'll see that this does look legit. This looks like something DJI will use. This is more towards their style in design on their drones, and I'm glad. I must say, I'm glad that they use this design and they're going with this. Really hope that they use it, I just like this design, and I'm glad that they chose this design. So unless they decide to change it at last minute, who knows. But what this tells us, this leak on this shell, this top shell, you can see here, this tells us that the DJI Mini 3 is on its way really soon. So if they got this shell already molded and printed out and all that, so you'll know that the next thing is they're going to put the components inside. So looks like that it's on its way. We should expect it very soon. So just hang in a little longer, guys, and we'll see this beautiful Mini 3, Mini 2S. That's all the info I have, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hopefully you got some value out of it. Now, if you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and please leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. That should do it, guys. Thank you for stopping by. Thanks for watching, and remember, follow the rules, fly safe, and happy flying. We'll see you in the next video. You take care.